Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. In this video, I am going to discuss about Playwright Locators Part 2. So the next one is get by role. This locator is used to get the element by the area role. And also you can pass the area label as the name parameter. So I will right click this text element, this search box. So here you can see a role equal to text box. So this is area role. And it doesn't have the area label, so we cannot specify the area label. We can only pass role. I'll copy the same code again. Here I will change get role. So I will copy this text box. So as it is text box, I will fill the value. So you can see the Python is entered here. I will continue. So if you wanted to specify the area label, you have to find out the element with the area label. I'll just search here. See, so this is the attribute for area label. So you have to specify exactly this word you have to specify. This complete string you have to specify. Next one is get by test ID. This locator is used to get the element by the attribute data test ID. If any tag which contains data test ID, then we can use this locator for identifying the element. I cannot show this in VS Code because Python website does not have any element with the data test ID attribute. You can see this example here. So here we have used page.getTestID of username hyphen input. So username hyphen input is the data test ID. So and also here we have combined the fill statement along with the locator. So like this also we can fill the text. So in our example and all, I have shown you 2 lines. So if you see here, everywhere I have used two lines, right? So these lines we can combine it instead of assigning the value to the element and next line element dot click. Instead of this one, we can directly use like this. See something like this. Okay. So I can combine these 2 steps in one statement. So like this also we can use. So this line is exactly same as these 2 statements. The next one is get by label. This locator is used to get the element by the label text. Label is also one of the element like input field. So if you see here, I will find out by the word label. This is one of the label field. So if you see here, this string is the label. So I will copy this string. So here I will use it. So we are going to find the label by using the string. And after that, I will fill this Python word. Yeah, the Python word is entered here. And the next one is get by placeholder. This locator is used to get the element by the placeholder text. So placeholder also one of the attribute of the elements. If you see here, this search input box contains placeholder attribute. So we can use this same word. See here, Python word is entered. So the next one is get by alt text. This locator is used to get the element by alt attribute. Alt attribute usually will come under image tag. For this attribute also, I don't have the example in Python website. So you can see this example. It will be exactly like this. Page dot get by alt text profile picture dot click. So here profile picture is the alt attribute. Next one is get by title. This locator is used to get the element by the title attribute of any element. So if you see here, if you hover it in any of the control, you will get the tooltip. See here, submit this search. This is the title. Again, so here the Python programming language is the title, and the Python software foundation is the title. So let me go to this go button, right click, inspect element. So you can see here the title is submit the search. So we have to copy this string. So as it is a button, I will click on it. So we can combine this statement also. This time I will try with single statement. So I will click on step over. Yeah, now the go button is clicked. That's the reason we are getting this page. Here I am stopping this video. You can watch the continuation in Playwright Locators Part 3. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please drop a comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my future videos. Stay connected with me for the next one.